Hey y'all, good morning. I hope you guys are having a good day. Y'all know what time it is. It's Lotto Scratching time. I've got some new tickets for me. The Winner Chicken Dinner. I got 5 of them. Tickets 42 through 46. Got limited edition. Ticket number 29. I just got one of those. I got 3 of the 100x cash. Got tickets 51, 32, and 33. And you know I got one of these cash celebrations. The cool thing about the cash celebration is that it's a $30 ticket, but if you do win, you're minimally winning $50. So if you do get a win, it's going to be a profit for that ticket. And that's ticket number 17, which is my lucky number. So hopefully we do well on that. Sorry if it's a little blurry there. All right, so let me move these aside and we can get started. All right, let's see if I can fix the focus a little there. Let me find my coin and we'll get started. Now I am left-handed. I'm gonna attempt to scratch right-handed just so you guys get a better view of what's going on. So my apologies. Okay, so actually I should read what I need to do on this one. Match any of your winning numbers to the winning number. Your winning numbers to the winning number, or reveal an egg and win double the prize. Okay, so do I have here 1 number or 2 numbers? Okay, I'm gonna have to go left-handed, guys. Just can't do it. Okay, looks like I only have 1 number. All right, I'm gonna go right to left. So I'm looking for a 10. Okay, nothing there. Oh, hey, right off the bat. All right, we'll take that. Got anything else on this one? All right, what do we have? Hey, $1. All right. Put it over here. Can we go back to back? So our winning number, oh, not $1. It's actually a $2 because you got the egg and it doubled the prize. 3, 20, a 19, 13, a 5, 6, and a 16. No go on that one. So our winning number is a 12, 18, a 1, 17, 7, 11, and 20. All right. Got 2 left. Let's go. 4, 6, 1, 14, 2, 9, and an 8. So no go. All right, last one for winner chicken dinner. All right, we got a 1. All right, come on. A 4, 13, 16, 17, an 8, and a 20. All right, so only $2 on the winner chicken dinner. That's not too bad. It's nice always to hit right off the bat. All right, so we got the limited edition. Let's see what our numbers are. Let's go this way. No, let me center this with the camera. Sorry. Trying to get a little better at getting my camera angle so you guys can see it a lot better. So let's see here. We got 24, I guess 44, 37, 60, 50, 39, 34, 33. Okay, so nothing there. 7, no 7s. 54, no. 36 or 32. Nothing there. 19. Oh, got a sign here. So I should have read the directions on this one. Let me give myself a little mark. Did we get anything on the 19? I don't see anything there. 22, no. 3, no. 56, nothing on 56. 57, anything on 57, no. 59, oh no, we have a 39. 52, no. 30, nope. 45, no. All right, let me center back up. 13, no. 14, no. 21, nothing there. 20, 23, and let's see, got 25, 31, 43, 12, 8. All right, got 2 more rows. 18, 11, 1, 2, 48, 5, 47, 26, 38, and 9. All right, so match any of your numbers to the winning number. Win that prize. Reveal the money bag symbol and win double. Reveal a safe symbol and win triple. Okay, so we got a double up. So let me get this and let's see what it is. Anything good? Let me try right-handed again. Let's see, do we have big zeros? No, but it's double up $10, so that's 20. We'll take that all day. So, all right. Clear the space. 100x cash. Can we find a multiplier? So I think the way this one works is you match your numbers or any of the multipliers. All right. Let me go see what our numbers are. We got a 14, a 49, 41, 40, a lot of 4s in here, huh? 37 and 25. All right. Let's go. Let's see. 11, 31, 24, 54, 17, 15, 29, 38, 1, 26, 23, 43. I know I had a bunch of 40s. 18, 4, 3, 6, 30, 2, 41. Hey, we got a winner. So let's just mark that up. All right. So let's see, do we got anything else? 47, did I have 47? No. Okay. 34. Keep getting off center here, sorry about that. 55. 12, 13, 39, 32, 36, 48, 35, and 50. All right, so just the one match on 41 here. Let's see, do we have anything good? Let me go from the right. Let's see, we got small zeros. Let's see, what do we got? Hey, $20. All right. I'll take that. That's a good one. All right. So we got 2 more of these tickets. So let's get scratching. All right. 16, 37, 17, 26, 19, and 35. All right. So let me center this. 45, 47, 21, 41. That was our winner on the last ticket. You know what? My lucky number is 17. Let's see if we can find a 17. That'd be great. 55, 34, 18, 43, 29, 23, just here, 9, 14, 13, 2, 25. All right, got 3 rows to go. 51, 32, 8, 50, and 15. 44, 42, 6, 50, 12, all right, 30, 4, 22, 27, and our last hope here, the 53. All right, nothing on that one. All right, this is our last 100 times the cash. Let's see what our numbers are. Let me get this back over. Got a 4, a 41, a 13, a 33, a 44, and 11. Now, can we find one of those beautiful multipliers? That'd be great. So we got a 15, nothing there. 6, 2, 50, 38, 46, and 8. Let's see, 34, 52, a 24, 45, 19, 35, 30, 26, 17, 55, 28, 27, 36, 14, 43, 21, 9, and 40. All right, last row. 48, 32, 12, let's see, what is this, a 25. All right, so our last hope here, $5,000. I wish that would match up. 53, but it doesn't. That's all right, because we got the cash celebration to go. So this one pretty much works the same way. You really want to get one of those multipliers. So let's see what our winning numbers are. All right. All right, come on, cash celebration. Ugh, guess I can't speak. 28. 28. No. 56. No 56. 23. Smear this over a bit. 37. 25. 15. 53. 45. 7. 18. 31. 20. 11. 17. 47. All right, let's see, 35. 12. 1. 36. 16. All right, last two rows. Can we get a save here at the end? 14. 2. 44. 34. 52. All right, last row. 51. 19. 30. 54. Again, our last hope. It would take a 75 in the last spot. Come on. 24. And no 24. All right, that's all right. So what do we got here? We got, what was that one? 20, 20, $22 out of, let's see, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Hey, we almost got half our money back. I'll take that. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And if you like this video, hit that like button and please subscribe. Talk to y'all next time. Bye.